Hi, welcome to Bake It Up. This is Lorena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Kalhua Coffee ice cream. For this recipe, that is also available in the description below, you will need condensed milk, whipped cream, vanilla extract, Kalhua coffee liquor, and instant coffee. In a small container, dissolve the instant coffee in a few tablespoons of hot heavy cream, whisk well, and set aside until completely cold. In a big mixing bowl, combine the condensed milk and the coffee mixture. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post a new video every week. Add the vanilla extract and a few tablespoons of Kalhua coffee liquor. The liquor in this recipe is very important because it lowers the freezing point of the mixture, which keeps the ice cream nice and smooth. Now it's time to add the whipped cream. That needs to be icy cold. That will give you that wonderful air and lightness to the ice cream that you will otherwise get if you were using an ice cream maker. That is what develops the air pockets in the ice cream. Once all ingredients are well combined, pour the ice cream mixture in a shallow container and freeze for at least 6 hours up to overnight, and then you are ready to enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And as always, guys, please like and subscribe. Until next week video, enjoy!